Hello everyone, this is my 7th video in this topic, that is balancing redox reactions by ion-electron method. I have made 2 videos in the acid medium with KMnO4 as the oxidizing agent, but I have not made with dichromate K2Cr2O7. So I thought maybe I should make one video with dichromate as well. Okay, so today is example number 7 and the reaction is K2Cr2O7 plus Ki plus H2SO4 on reaction giving Cr2SO4 whole 3 plus I2 plus K2SO4 plus H2O. Okay, means potassium dichromate reacting with potassium iodide in sulfuric acid medium giving chromic sulfate, iodine, potassium sulfate and water. Okay, we will balance this reaction by ion-electron method. So as I said in my earlier videos as well, we should first write the main changes in the ionic form. Here 2 K plus ions are there and the dichromate ion, that is Cr2O7 2 minus ion is there, and here K plus and I minus, so it will be I minus in presence of H plus giving Cr3 plus from chromic sulfate. We can calculate here 3 sulfate means 6 negative charge, which is balanced by 2 chromium, so it will be 3 plus charge for each chromium, and this is called chromic ion, and giving I2 iodine. This will come after we balance the reaction. So the changes is dichromate ion is going to chromic ion and the I minus is going to iodine. Okay, so first balance this one, means Cr2O7 2 minus going to Cr3 plus. The reaction is in acidic medium, so we will use only H plus and water for balancing the half reactions, and we cannot use OH minus ion in this balancing. In the alkaline medium we should not use any H plus ion, and in acid medium we should not use any OH minus ion. So for balancing these, first balance the chromium. Here 2, here 1 is there, so first make it 2 chromium 3 plus. Now look at the oxygen atom. Here 7 oxygen atom is present in the left hand side, so first add 7 water molecules at the right hand side. Now it will balance the oxygen atom, but extra 14 H plus ions will be present in the right hand side, which is not there in the left hand side. So for balancing hydrogen we will add 14 H plus ions. Now you see everything is balanced, means the atom 2 chromium 2 chromium, 7 oxygen and 14 hydrogen. So now look at the charge. Here 2 negative charge for the dichromate ion and 14 positive charge for the H plus ion. So overall there are 12 positive charge in the left hand side, but at the right hand side there are 6 positive charge. So resultant there are 6 positive charge at the left hand side. So if we want to neutralize or we want to balance with the right hand side, then we have to add 6 electron. Now you see 2 negative and 6 negative means 8 negative and 14 positive. So overall there will be 6 positive, which will be balanced with the right hand side 2 chromium 3 plus ions, and that will give 6 positive charge at the right hand side. So this is now balanced half reaction. Now the second process, that is I minus, is going to I2. Here at the right hand side I2 molecule is there, that is 2 iodine is there, iodine atom, but here 1. So first make it 2I minus. Okay, atom is balanced. Now look at the charge. Here 2I minus and no charge in the right hand side. So if we want to balance with the right hand side, if we subtract 2 electron, this will make 0 charge at the left hand side, and that will balance with the right hand side 0 charge. Okay, now half reactions are balanced. So once are balanced, these are balanced, we can assign the reaction, half reaction. It is in the left hand side electrons are added, so it will be reduction half reaction, and this one where electrons are subtracted, it will be oxidation half reaction. Okay, I have discussed this in my earlier videos as well, so you can go through those videos as if you want, if you are interested for this type of balancing. Okay, now our task is to combine these two half reactions to get the overall balanced reaction. For that we will multiply this one, this reduction half reaction with 1 and this one with 3. Why? Because that will make the coefficient of the electrons in the first reaction, that is the reduction half reaction, and the oxidation half reaction will be equal. Okay, so let assign this as 1 and this one as 2. So what we will do, number 1 multiply by 1 plus number 2 multiply by 3. Okay, so it's multiplied by 1 first reaction, so it will be as it is. So Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6 electron will give 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Okay, and this one we are multiplying with 3, so 6I minus and 6 electron giving 3I2. Okay, let's sum up. This will be cancelled. Okay, so getting Cr2O7 2 minus plus 14H plus 6I minus giving 2Cr3 plus 3I2 plus 7H2O. Okay, this is the balanced redox reaction in the ionic form. Now we need to convert this into molecular form. So let's wipe out this place and just convert this with the balanced redox reaction in ionic form. So Cr2O7 2 minus was coming from K2Cr2O7 and the coefficient is 1, so it will be K2Cr2O7 only. 14H plus Ki is there, so first let's take this one, 6I minus. I minus was coming from Ki, so it will be 6 Ki plus 14 H plus was coming from sulfuric acid. Each sulfuric acid need 2 H plus ions, so this will give 7 H2SO4, which will give chromic sulfate, and chromic ion was coming from chromic sulfate, so each chromic sulfate need 2 Cr3 plus ion, and 2 is there, so it will be only Cr2SO4 whole 3 plus I2, 3I2 is there, plus 7H2O. Okay, this is the balanced redox reaction in the molecular form, but still not completed, because you see here K plus is there, which is not there in the right hand side. So what we have to do, or you can check this sulfate ion. 7H2SO4 means 7 sulfate ions are produced, but here only 3 sulfate. Okay, so we need to add K2SO4 molecule. You can check here also K2SO4 was there, but here in the balanced redox reaction K2SO4 is not there. So we have to add K2SO4, but in which number, that you have to count from here. K2 and 6K means 8 potassium ions are there in the left hand side. For that, if we add 4 K2SO4, then it will balance the all potassium ions that are present at the left hand side, but at the same time the sulfate ions should also be balanced. Now check, 7 sulfate and here 3, and from 4 K2SO4 we are getting 4 sulfate, so sulfate ions are also balanced. This one, this type of balancing means addition of the salt, that was K2SO4. I have showed in my earlier example as well, so you can check that video as well. Now you see everything is balanced or not. Potassium is already we have discussed. Chromium, 2 chromium, 2 chromium. Oxygen, here 7 and 7 water molecules are there, 7 oxygens are there. I will discuss the sulfate ion separately. Now you see 7 sulfate, and already we have discussed that 7 sulfate are there. So 6 I minus, and here 3 I2, so 6 iodine atoms are there in the right hand side as well. So everything is balanced. When everything is balanced and you are satisfied, you just remove this arrow sign and place the equal sign. So this is the balanced redox reaction of the given reaction, that is the reaction between potassium dichromate and Ki in sulfuric acid medium. Okay, that's all for this video. If you are student, you can subscribe my channel especially to get this type of videos more. I will make more videos with some chemistry problems. So if you want to watch these videos, just subscribe my channel to get this video immediately. Thank you all for watching my videos.